Hello, I am Miqueal Symone Williams.
Hey, what's up, burritos? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, today it is all about celebrating Miqueal Symone Williams. She is Miss Jamaica Universe 2020, and I guess 2021 because say it have to get postponed from last year because of COVID-19. So, people, I've been hearing on the streets, it's all been positivity. Many people are saying that this girl could be a really true contender. Now, if you follow the Miss Universe pageant, you know that in recent years we've seen success from Yendi Phillips. You have Davina Bennett as well as Casey Fennell, and Jamaica has been hunting that crown. We have been trying vehemently to finally select someone who will be able to snatch that crown away from the other competitors, and we've been getting better and better at it in recent times. So could Miqueal Symone Williams be the girl to do just that? Well, I think we can ready for it, we can ready and expect good things from her. So let me just give you a little, backstory. So Miqueal Symone, she was born in Mona, Jamaica, and finished her secondary and university education in Jamaica. In 2020, she graduated from the University of the West Indies in Kingston. She got a Bachelor of Science degree in Management Studies and a minor in Psychology, which she completed with high honors. Most of her life, Miss Williams admits, has been spent in school. She goes on to say that she also recently took up learning and trying to sew as a hobby, and she loves to cook, as well as she's very organized. Now, she also has quite a career in modeling. The beautiful and intelligent model kicked off her modeling professionally in 2018. She started modeling for brands in London, England, United Kingdom. Miss Williams is also a Pulse and Select Model Search winner and has traveled worldwide to Spain, Milan, New York, and Paris. She has worked with huge brands such as Amari, Valentino, Tommy Hilfiger, and the list goes on. She has also graced the pages of Elle magazine. So you can tell to the girl now she have international exposure. She's not frightened for foreign, she's not frightened for the foreign stage. So right there and then my anticipation is high. And so me look on some images with the girl and the girl pretty, the girl nice. She has this rich chocolate skin that is just like so, you look upon her, you just see grace, you see charisma, you see charm, and all of these things. And from the looks of it, she's also pretty eloquent too.
Hi, I am Miqueal Symone Williams, Miss Universe Jamaica. So I am an international model. I've traveled to London, Paris, Spain, and New York. I have had so many different experiences. It's been amazing to see new cultures and to meet new people that are outside of my country. And so I think that it has given me a more rounded look at life, and it has given me more personal life experience to lean on, especially with a cause like mental health. So
it seems as if we get like a full package from this girl, and so she might really be a strong contender on the final night. Now, the final show is going to be on Sunday, and it will be taking place, let me see if I can just remember, at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. And so I am very much there. We see some of the images come out from the preliminary competition, such as the different the costume competition, the parading of the costumes, where all the contestants from their respective countries showcase a costume that really reflects where they are from. And so Jamaica, Miqueal Symone Williams, she I guess showcased the national flower.
Wisdom Vitae is indigenous to Jamaica and the country's national flower. It's the blossom of a very useful and versatile tree. Its gum was exported to Europe in the early 16th century and used to treat disease. It's pretty awesome to be dressed as this blossom like Jamaica. Wisdom Vitae is...
And since then, Shiva went on, and we saw a little bit of her in the preliminary, as the evening gown, and it just seems that this girl is really one to watch.
Miqueal Symone holds a bachelor's degree in marketing with a major in psychology. This 24-year-old creator.
So may I encourage the Berridos to come out on the numbers and make sure to support Miss Jamaica Universe, Miqueal Symone Williams, on Sunday as she tries to get that crown that Jamaica has been vying for since the inception of the Miss Universe pageant. So yeah man, like that is it for this countdown quickie. Let me know if you've been keeping up with her, if you've been keeping up with this year's competition, and are you expecting her to do well? I want to hear it from you guys in the comments. All right, so make sure say you also subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 300,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so please to hit the subscribe button as well as to do the usual like and to share the video. All right, so that's it, Berridos. Until next time, when I'll be talking about another trending topic in a jiffy. This is the Countdown Quickie.